Hi everyone. In previous lecture, in our experiment on-off temperature controller circuit diagram is designed is in our laboratory. Okay. So here in this lecture, these experiments uh, observe the different readings. Okay, and working. Okay, see the one by one. Here firstly, in this operational amplifier, in our circuit diagram, here pot is connected and pot is vary to set the different voltage, okay, in a temperature, across the temperature. Here temperature sensor LM35 to set the temperature by using this multimeter. Okay, so here multimeter is the on. In our examination, examiner is gives to the different temperature to set the temperature. Okay, here in multimeter, negative terminal is connected. Here ground point, create the ground point, and this positive terminal is connected in a variable terminal of the pot here in this way. Okay, suppose in examination, examiner gives the temperature set, okay, in a 0.4 volt, that means the 0.4, that means the 40 degree Celsius, okay, on a temperature in a thermometer. See here, firstly in thermometer, see the temperature, thermometer, see the temperature is the 15 degree Celsius. 15, that means this voltage is the room temperature. Okay, and this temperature is sensed to the here in a temperature sensor LM35. Okay, so this temperature sensor and thermometer is put on this here box, and here in box internally connected one bulb, and these bulbs when the on, then temperature is the increase. Okay, so here firstly on the supply of the circuit connection as well as the relay, and here relay apply the AC supply. Okay, and in our circuit apply the DC supply. Okay, so here firstly connection is the on. Okay, and here set the temperature. Okay, here in this way set the temperature firstly. Okay, here set the temperature, this is the millivolt. Okay, here set the 0.4, that means the 40 degree. Here set the in this way. Okay, 0.4. Okay, across vary the pot here. Okay, set the temperature is the in this way 40. Okay, okay, in this time these multimeters negative terminal is connected in a ground and positive terminal connected in a variable point of the this pot. Okay, here see in observation table we observe the set the temperature here the 0.40, that means the voltage is the 0.40, that means the 40 degree. Okay, in this 40 degree when the relay is the on. Okay, see here the relay is the on. Okay, in this time we observe the different voltages. Okay, in a operational amplifier, pin number 2 voltage, pin number 3 voltage, and pin number 6 voltage. Okay, when the relay on and off. So here relay is the on. In this time we observe the pin number 2. Okay, pin number 2 voltage. See here connected multimeters, positive knob in the pin number 2, and observe the voltage is the 0.40, and here right now the voltage is the 0.40. Okay, then pin number 3, here connect the pin number 3 and we observe the voltage. See here the 0.40. Okay, and when the temperature is goes to the in a 40 degree here set. ओके, 40 डिग्रीला टेम्परेचर गेल्यानंतर ॲटोमॅटिकली रिले हा काय होणार आहे, ऑफ होणार आहे. रिले इज द ऑफ, अँड इन दिस टाईम वी ऑब्झर्व दी व्होल्टेज पिन नंबर 3 ॲज वेल ॲज द पिन नंबर 2, 3 अँड 6. सो हियर रिले इज द ऑफ. ओके, and automatically these voltage are again 40 goes to the below the 40, then automatically release the on. When the temperature is increased to the above 40 degrees Celsius, then automatically release the on. In this way this process is continuously. Okay, so in this time when the relay is the on across the pin number 2, 3 and 6 on operational amplifier, we observe the voltage, and when the relay is the off, pin number 2, 3 and 6 in operational amplifier, we observe the output voltage. Okay, so here relay is the off. In this time we observe the 2 number voltage. Here 2 number voltage is the C 0.3. 2 number voltage here right now the 0.3. Then pin number 3. Pin number 3 voltage 0.4. Here 0.4, and pin number 6. Connect the pin number 6 voltage the 6.06. So here right now the 6.06. Okay, in this way. Okay, we observe the when the relay on and when the relay off voltage. Okay, so here ओके, आता मी कुठं कनेक्ट करते जिथं व्हेरिएबल पॉईंट आहे. ओके, किती व्होल्टेज आहे 34. हे 34 व्होल्टेज कुठं जाणार आहे 40. अबो द 40 देन रिले इज द ऑन. ओके, जेव्हा अबो द 40 जाणार आहे, सी हिअर अबो द 40 देन रिले इज द ऑन. Okay, in this way we observe the readings when the relay is the on and relay is the off. That means the temperature on and off. On off temperature controller. Here use LM35. Okay, sensor. Then next set the temperature. Here connected variable point, set the next temperature by varying this pot. Okay, vary the pot, set the C in this way. Okay, 40 then relay is the on. जेव्हा व्होल्टेज आहे 40 अबो 40 गेलं त्यावेळी काय झाला रिले हा ऑन झाला. ओके, जेव्हा व्होल्टेज हे बिलो 40 आलं तेव्हा रिले हा ऑटोमॅटिकली काय झाला ऑफ झाला. ओके, जेव्हा आपल्याला सेकंड टेम्परेचर हे आपल्याला सेट करायचे त्यावेळी काय करणार आपण व्हेरिएबल टर्मिनलला इथं आपण बाय युजिंग दिस पॉट वी व्हेरी द व्होल्टेज हिअर सी 45. इन दिस टाइम 45 रिले इज द ऑन, देन व्होल्टेज इज गोज टू द 45. ओके, देन रिले इज द ऑफ. ओके, इन दिस टाइम when relay is the on, voltage is the pin number 6 voltage is the minus 9.16. Okay, then observe the pin number 2 and 3. In this way, see when the voltage is below the here, see then relay is the off. In this way these experiments are successfully done in our laboratory in a different temperature. We observe the when relay is the on and relay is the off output voltage we are observed. Okay, got it all of you this experiment? Okay, I think stop here. Thank you all of you.